This is Zia Khan, founding member of Operation Unicorn and CEO of Penacloud. There's so much poverty in this world. If you go to any underdeveloped country, it would give you a lot of pain. For example, I am in Pakistan. When I go out on the streets, when I look at the street children, the poor people, it gives me so much pain. And I think you must feel the same thing as I do. This is the question of the century, how to address this issue. Different people have different solutions. I am a technology person. You may call me a geek. So therefore, I think in those terms. What I have noticed is that there is very high correlation between startups, unicorns, and prosperity. Countries which have a high number of startups and unicorns have a very bright present as well as a very bright future. Now, let us take a look quickly at the number of unicorns in different countries. As you can see, that most of the countries which have a bright future have a large number of unicorns. And of course, by definition, a large number of startups. Therefore, we are going to start a movement, a strategy for basically lifting up underdeveloped countries, which we are calling Operation Unicorn. To test our hypothesis, we are going to basically use Pakistan as an example. And after that, once we have perfected our model, we are going to apply it to most of the developing countries. Now the question is, how are we going to create a system to incubate startups, some of which will go on to become unicorns? It is going to be very difficult to create a system in which we can create any kind of unicorn, any kind of startup. What needs to be done is that we focus on a particular market segment, which is broad enough that it covers a lot of area, but focused enough so that we can create general purpose solutions for it. We think this area is the API economy. This API economy has created a new kind of startup, which is being called API first startups, API first companies. And the next $1 trillion wave will be API SaaS companies, API software as a service company. We have identified our focus area. The next issue that arises is how are we going to finance these companies? these startups? The solution is that we use the token economy for it. Some of you who do not have a background in software development might think that API economy is small. It's not the case. It's going to be a $1 trillion market, but even now, API first companies, which other companies are using their products to develop software, are many. Let's take a look. There are a lot of different companies who are doing this. The same applies to the token economy. It's a huge market. A lot of startups are raising funds in the token economy. Therefore, this is all tried and tested. We just have to combine different forces together to go ahead and change the world. Let's work together to completely change this world. Our main strategy is based on a combination of API economy and the token economy. When these two economies combine, it creates tremendous value. Now the question is, how are these APIs? On what layer, on what technologies these APIs are going to be built? We are going to use the serverless computing technologies, which is basically Cloud 2.0. Another issue that arises, that how are we going to compensate the investors in the token economy? We are going to use the revenue sharing model. The API developers is going to share the revenues of the subscriptions for these APIs with the investor. Not just the investor, but all other stakeholders to create these API first startups. What is required is a platform. As a first step, we have started incubating PanaCloud, which is the API token economy platform, so that other developers can create APIs on top of it. In order to incubate these API startups, a lot of different things are required. We need cloud developers, we need API developers, we need blockchain developers. We are going to facilitate other institutes to also adopt this curriculum to train developers on site. We are going to provide online education, and other institutes are going to provide on-site educations all over the world. But we will start with Pakistan. We will also need to train the startup management, and we will have to train the investors as well. So therefore, training and basically focus on API first startups is going to help us achieve our objectives. Operation Unicorn is a not-for-profit entity. Therefore, I request all of you to join us to achieve this objective. There are different roles which you can play. You can be an API investor, you can be an API startup founder, you can be an API developer, you can open an institute to train the underprivileged youth of your country. There's tremendous opportunity to help people. Let's do it together. My friends, my colleagues, my brothers and sisters, the situation cannot be tolerated anymore. We have to alleviate poverty. In order to do that, we have to work together to change this world and bring a revolution. For the last 20 years, we have been working to train Pakistani students in latest state-of-the-art technologies: cloud computing, artificial intelligence, blockchain, Internet of Things, web development, API development. Now, we are going to keep on focusing on teaching and training, but our main focus is going to be to create new startups to basically change not only the economy of Pakistan, but the world. In this connection, I want to thank President of Pakistan, Dr. Arif Alvi. He has been tremendous help to us in basically spreading knowledge all across Pakistan, and our partners who have basically helped us a lot, especially Silani Welfare Trust, who has helped us in basically spreading our message all across Pakistan. Thank you so much.